So, as a homeschooling mom, our home is our place of learning, and things can get messy really quick. And cleaning was a point that I had to walk through and a point that I had to face within myself because I saw cleaning as a chore, something that I had to do, not that I wanted to do. Using the right tools, I was able to work that within myself, and now I can support my daughter to do the same, where she actually enjoys cleaning and she sees it almost like a game and something that she could do for fun instead of, watching TV or watching an iPad.
And now I love doing homeschool stuff because now I love cleaning, and now before I just used to let my mother clean on their own, but now I don't. I love cleaning tables, I love vacuuming, I love doing so much stuff, but now it's really fun to clean. Before it wasn't.